Okay, so we're now going home. Vlog ko lang yung pauwi natin from Hapchan.
Ano kaya to? Aray ko, buhok ko, bebe. Buhok my hair. Sinama mo na yun.
PNU yan, no? Sa kaliwa. Yun ang pamantasan yan, eh.
Teka lang, naipit. Wait, naipit yung hair.
Throw my phone. So, the right is Luneta, Rizal. So, ito yung Rizal Park. Saan namatay? That's where Jose Rizal got executed back in the 80s, in the 1890s. I don't know. 1900s.
Kailan ba siya na baril? 1891 ba?
1891. Pinanganak siya 1886 ata. I forgot.
Ipit na siya ni Ama, ouchie.
So these are the Philippine history.
Yay! Look at that cyborg! It's there! Cyborg man smells. Rock! Rocky! Let's wrestle! Let's wrestling! Let's wrestling!
Sa nahul ata sa kamay ni Superman. Eh, kita mo ba? Ilawang ko. Hindi kita eh. Sandali. Ilawang ko. Ayun na, go na. Oh, go na, be.
Go na po.
Oh my God, Tara Review!
Doon yung PNU, no?
Tara Review! Ow! That's fun together! Superman man! Superman man! Superman man! Batman man!
I'll delete this video. I'll delete it. I will delete this video later. No, it's a prank. I'm just joking for that.
Yung moral kasama yung dadating.
I'll delete this video later. No, I'm just joking. Yeah, it's fine.
Ipag-boy ka. Sa moral. Naipit sa kilikili. Wait. Kita mo ba? Ano? Naipit sa kilikili.
Pwede matanggal ka?
Lapit na sa school mo to, ate.
Oo.
Pero I think magle-left tayo sa...
Hindi, parang gusto kong dumiretso. Guys, hatid nyo na ako sa PWU. Charot. Parang papunta na to ng Lasal, PWU, Benil. And sa Naiya. Diretso na lang. Parang gusto kong mag-drop muna sa PWU.
You let Cyborg rest. Oh, Cyborg will sleep now.
No, that's mine. Let's stain it for you. Mati, let's steal Cyborg. No, that's for me. That's for yours. Yes.
Ayan, dadatay
That's
you.
Superman's mine.
You and...
Siniro mo na yung brush and comb.
I'm calling 911. What is 911 gonna do?
Brush and comb.
Sabi mo may isa pa.
Give me
Oh, may isa pa nga.
the
Dapat zero mo na sa lahat yun ah.
Brush and comb.